Okay, we're here today in New Palestine, Indiana, and they're running panels off for this job here. They're going to put metal accents on. So the previous video we did is similar. These panels are not too long, but you can see these are smooth panels, and this is a 15-inch wide panel. So we're using smooth. When we do smooth panels, we're going to use a smaller width panel to cut down on the possibility of oil tanning. So you can see the machine does a great job. So we'll put the panels on the ground here for the guys to install when they get ready.